Hi students, my name is Raju Chidarla and I am faculty for the soft skills topic. My dear students, before I go to the topic of soft skills, I would like to give you some values of English language. As a person or any person who wants to speak English properly, grammatically and fluently and phonetically, I mean in a virtual accent level, the person should develop 4 skills. L, S, R, W. L means for listening, S for speaking, R for reading and W for writing. So, my dear students, a person who wants to speak English well, the person should develop these 4 skills. For example, being as a student, if you want to complete your studies or if you want to get good job after your studies, you need these 4 skills. As a student or as a person who wants to get promotions, the person must get 4 skills in his life. In today's world, English is used as a lingua franca. Lingua franca means is a common language for speakers from different languages, and this English language is used as a common language for non-native English speakers. So being Indians, we should develop originality in English language. So when foreigners come to us, we are unable to speak or we are unable to communicate or we are unable to catch the pronunciation of the foreigners because we are lacking their originality. So my dear students, being as a student, we have been learning from high school standard to the degree level. There is a course, we call it phonetics. This helps us to speak in virtual accent as native English speakers speak or pronounce. So today's world, English is a common language economically, socially, scientifically, technologically and religious level also. So my dear students, I want you request to keep your commitment, your concentration, your attention and your focus on only English language because all these courses are done or said or taught only in English. So, my dear students, being a student, don't think that English is only for writing or only for writing examinations, but what I request you, English is for life future. To have a better life, English language is very, very useful for every one of us. Being promotions to receive from a higher post or to get good seat for a higher studies, you need English language. To get interviews, we need proper English. In everyday life, every company is requesting and longing to have a good English speaker because they want to communicate with other countries in a proper way to get a relationship from other companies. So my dear students, I am here to develop your English language skills according to your ability. I move and I help you in a simple way. So my dear students, once again I request you all to keep in mind that English is not for only writing. It's for a future life that is useful. It's a common language. Once upon a time, English language was kept in the dictionary or in the library for only reference. But today, English language is very, very important. As a student, whether you are coming from CBSE or state syllabus, English pronunciation is very, very important, and English grammatical sentences are very, very important. The words which you pronounce from your mouth is also very, very important. If you want to get good future, if you want to get good marks in your certificate courses or whatever maybe, high school level, college level or university level, you need proper English. So my dear students, I want to help you to develop these 4 skills. I give an example. If you want to study in a higher level, in abroad, higher studies if you want to study in abroad, or if you want to get a good job in abroad, you need certificate course. They are IELTS or TOEFL. International English Language Testing System or Test of English as a Foreign Language. For these 2 certificate course for language level language test course. So if you want to get good certificate, if you want to get a certificate, you have to go through very well these 4 skills. Being as a CBSE student, you should develop these 4 skills and you can get in abroad higher studies or jobs from IELTS or TOEFL. TOEFL is conducted by the Americans and IELTS are conducted by the Britishers or Australia or New Zealand, whatever, South Africa. So you have to keep these in future for higher studies. You are not working in a normal companies. In future, your aim is to work in multinational companies which are giving much remuneration or salaries. So my dear students, to get the certificate, you need these 4 skills. So I am here to support you, to give you class on soft skills based on 4 levels. One is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening and reading more or less related, but coming to the speaking and writing is very, very important. So this is my general introduction about the soft skills, the values of English language. Thank you my dear students, and see you in the next class. Bye.